We're gonna get into this. Yeah. Alchemic. Okay. Not to be confused with the volcanic that Smith & Wesson made in the early 1800s. Mid-1800s. My bad. So yeah. This is the Alchemic. In particular, formerly known as the Mark Zero Energy Buoy, is the Mark I Alchemic Bowie Energy Pistol. Made by me. Yes, that's me. I am the Wyvern people. And she is the Raven. Yeah, don't fuck with us. Anyways, yeah, what is this thing? Well, it's kind of a hybrid of all sorts of shit, really. One, you got this, Browning 1887-ish, shotgun lever action, with freaking, brass knuckles. I don't know, I might make those, I might glue those or make them, or freaking forge them out of, Damascus. Who fucking knows? That's also a part of the trigger guard. Oh man, that's gonna be some tough machining right there. Slash hammering. You could do kind of both, really. As long as you could weld them together. Yeah, look at these triggers, by the way. And, by the way, for you video game fans out there who like good trigger mechanisms on your controllers, these are actually analog, and they kind of would feel, I mean, more premium because they're made of metal. They're analog, kind of electromechanical triggers. And just like a video game, this thing, yes, it has an engine, but the thing is, and it's revolving cylinder engine. It actually goes clockwise. But the point I'm trying to make is, the more you pull back on the trigger, the faster the rate of fire is going to be. The less you pull back, but it's also going to be less damage. The less you pull back on the trigger, bigger the shot, more damage, slower the rate of fire. And yes, this is an engine, people. It is also liquid cooled. It also produces its own liquid coolant. Figure that out. It also generates and circulates its own power throughout all the weapon. Figure that out. It also is an electric motor. Figure that out. What's this? Well, this is your battery. When battery is spent, this toggle link mechanism will automatically eject the battery. Or, when the weapon overheats, the toggle link system will open, but will not eject the battery. How does that work? Well, linkages and electromagnetics. Yeah, this thing practically spits out the battery with a magnet. What do you got here? This is easy engagement to basically just engage the weapon, you know? It's perfectly, just click, yeah, like that. Just that easy. What's the hammer for? What the fuck does this need a hammer for if this is a future weapon, right? What are you doing, Jack? Yeah, I'll tell you what I'm fucking doing, okay? Imagine a charge shot. Yeah, I'm making that a thing. What are you gonna do? Well, you're gonna flip the lever like Arnold Schwarzenegger on a fucking motorcycle, and yes, this kind of has that kind of martial art built in line, and by the way, this thing is lightweight enough to do it. It is more lightweight than a traditional firearm, will be, and, it'll basically make a shockwave. This particular weapon's, shotgun function. Yes, this is technically also a shotgun, but not a shotgun that blows through someone, just more like knocks them on their ass. But yes, this thing also does have dual, dual settings. One right here, one right there. You could actually you could change the firing order of this thing in the way it fires. You can change what, believe it or not, you could go for single shot, 3, 5 burst, fully automatic, just chugging like this. Yeah, like that. Making coolant at the same time in the frickin' radiator. Yeah. And while that's doing that, that's actually making energy for this blade. Yeah, this blade has its own, this generates this blade's aura. You know, think of it kind of like a lightsaber, but if a lightsaber had a nice steel center, basically as a conductor, you know. Even these inlays could be used as conductors, kind of like Tesla coils, you know. And like, this thing is actually an axe head. You know, it looks like a Bowie knife, yes, but it's an axe head. And what this centerpiece is basically what is this weapon's version of a barrel band on a Winchester, you know? And this thing is very Wild West inspired. Very Wild West inspired. Very, kind of almost German inspired. I didn't want to really go there for obvious reasons, but the toggle length on the old Luger is just cool. And the perfectly round trigger guard, that's just class. So, yeah, this thing could spit flames as well, man. Yeah, you could use this thing as a fucking flamethrower. Mind you, probably more like a flamethrower from the Super Mario Brothers movie from the 90s? That's the only thing I can think of right now. And, yeah, possibly even dark matter. Dark matter. Yeah, okay. But yeah. I rapid fired through this the best I could, people. And no, I did not go into detail. I just went into layman's terms. This thing, when I make it, is gonna be a beast. But not compared to the broomstick. That thing is gonna be your get the hell out of Dodge tool once you fuck things shit up. Ah!